Benefits of Boswellia with source. Benefits: joint pain, respiratory health, gut health, wound healing, immune system, skin health, stress, hormone balance. Solgar number 7, joint support and comfort review. Description: increased flexibility, increased mobility, shows improvement in joint comfort within 7 days. Feel the difference. Next generation after glucosamine. Once daily. Non-GMO. Gluten, wheat and dairy free. Certified gluten-free. Dietary supplement. Suggested use. As a dietary supplement for adults, take 1 vegetable capsule daily, or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: vegetable cellulose, silica, vegetable magnesium stearate. Free of gluten, wheat, dairy, soy, yeast, sugar, sodium, artificial flavor, sweetener, preservatives and color. Warnings: if you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medications or have any medical condition, please consult your healthcare practitioner before taking any dietary supplement. Avoid this product if you are allergic to aspirin. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Not intended for use by persons under the age of 18. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if outer bottle seal is missing or damaged. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.